Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is the energy update. July 16 to 31. Let's see the energies coming to you. Second half ng July. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate dito, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Oo, marami yan, laganap. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description. Ayan, let's see, Sag. What's the energy for you? Second half ng July for the Sagittarius. Oh, wow! Talaga naman, oh. Lucky 7. Alam niyo yung lumalabas na, yung sa mga casino. 777. Oh, good luck. Green na green. There's luck. Oh, mga dyan, mahilig na sumali sa mga, game of chance. This is your time to shine. Malay nyo pero yan nanalo from from Laguna last time sa Lotto. Anyway, this can be luck in anything that you do. Tingnan natin specifically, in what area of life itong luck na to. Wow, 5th house. Oh my God. Sag. 5th house is games. Oh, sali na kayo sa mga games na yan. 5th house is also about creativity. So, pwedeng meron kang creative na ideas that you're going to use, no? Gagamitin mo para, suswertehin ka doon. Yung iba naman, this can be luck sa anak ninyo, kung meron na kayong anak. Merong swerteng dala yung anak nyo, or iba, pwedeng masiswertehan, mabubuntis, or makakabuntis, o kayo nang bahala. Diba? So, there's luck. Ganda pa nun, kasi 5th house is about happiness. This is about enjoyment. Uy! Oh my God! Sag, make a wish daw, 11-11. Ayan, so sign yan sa inyo. Kung madalas kayo makakita ng 11-11, ano man yung mga pinupurso ninyo, kung wala naman kayong hindi magandang intensyon, mangyayari yan. Make a wish. Oh, inspiration. You are inspired. I think itong inspiration na to, creative inspiration, creative ideas, that will bring luck in your life para matupad yung mga wishes niyo. Diba? So, keep inspiring yourself. And syempre, hindi lang naman tayo puro wishful thinking. Dapat meron ding action kasi manifestation requires action. Tingnan natin ang overall energy ng mga Sagittarius. 9 of Wands. Okay, pagod na yung iba. Alam yung pagod na kayo sa mga ginagawa nyo, parang exhausted, no? Parang feeling nyo, walang katapusang trabaho. Kailangan mag-take ka rin ng break. May kakayanan ka naman na gawin yun eh. Kailangan mo lang talagang ibigay yan sa sarili mo. Yung iba kasi nagtitiis kayo sa sitwasyon na meron kayo kung hindi na kayo masaya or fulfilled. But you have the opportunity to go for your i-pursue yung mga talents nyo, skill set nyo, gamitin nyo yan para sa mga pangarap nyo. Now, your challenge is the strength card. Ayun lang. Pagdating kasi sa confidence, medyo alanganin. Bakit? Diba? Bakit alanganin confidence nyo? Sagittarius kayo. So, marami kayong alam. Marami kayong kakayanan. You're very optimistic. So, your challenge is kung paano mo mas mapapataas yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo. At kung paano mo marirealize na malakas ka, kaya mo. Your opportunity is the 8 of Wands. So, ito yung sinasabi kong action. 8 of Wands is about fast movement. Kumilos, gumalaw. At makakakita ka ng resulta sa pagkilos at paggalaw mo. The blessing is the Chariot. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba ang Chariot as a blessing, ito ay victory. Ito ay pag-abot or pag-achieve ng mga pangarap mo. Actually, meron kang options dito, no? Multiple options. Nasa sa'yo yan kung ano yung ipupurso mo. But this is definitely success. This is growth. This is opportunities. No, these are opportunities opening up sa inyo in different directions. So, nasa sa inyo na yan kung paano nyo ina-navigate yan. This is your time to shine. Speak your world into being. I think this is something to do with your manifestation. Kailangan, hindi nyo lang iniisip ko ano yung minamanifest nyo, sinasabi nyo rin yan. You are saying it loud. It's like, affirmations. What do you want para sa sarili mo? Oh, diba? You are stepping up and leading your life. Some of you, promotion to literal sa trabaho or sa life mo in general. Like, you're being promoted na may mga upgrades sa trabaho, sa business, even sa relationship mo. Like, meron kayong mga achievements ng partner mo, things like that, diba? Meron ding leadership role for you. Yan, ngayong second half ng July. Kaya kailangan, kumbaga, this is the time to take action. Oo, wag mong sayangin yung swerte na yan, yung luck mo. Let's see what else for Sagittarius, second half ng July. Oh, diba? Oh, may career. You have Sun in Aries. Oh my God, that's a good placement. Tapos sa career pa. Go-getter yan. Oh, Sun in Aries in the 10th house. Diba? So you have the courage. You have the confidence. And you have this energy to fulfill what you really want to achieve in your life, in your career. I think yung iba sa inyo, the moment na mag-take action ka sa mga goals mo, mas mapapansin ka, mas makikilala ka. This will also bring happiness and fulfillment sa inyo. Kasi Wunyo is about joy, pleasure, and bliss. You also have Manas. So Manas is about yourself, self-awareness. Mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, mas nalalaman mo kung ano yung kakayanan mo, abilities mo. Diba? Oh, you also have Ihwas. So this is rebirth. It's a brand new you. Transformation. Maaring may kailangang matapos, mag-end para masimulan mo tong oportunidad na to para sa'yo. It's like you are aligning yourself to a brand new you. So, you just need to take a step up, and lead your life. Yung mga pagod na dyan, no? Nasa sayo, kung gusto mo, mapagod ka na lang lagi. Yung bang pagod ka na sa kakahintay ng opportunities, huwag mo hintayin. Ayan na andyan na yung opportunity sa'yo, parating na, salubungin mo na. Kaya lang, minsan, kailangan natin iwanan kung ano yung hindi na komportable sa buhay natin. Kung ano yung hindi na aligned, hindi na masaya para sa'yo. Ayan napakaganda. You have the confidence and the abilities, the strength, the power to achieve your goals. Kasi 10th house is also your legacy. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.